Can a chameleon disappear without moving? Why does a turtle have a hard shell? How do birds travel thousands of kilometers? Today, we'll discover these amazing animal adaptations. Let's begin. Welcome to Kids Diary Channel.
3, 2, 1!
An animal adaptation is a physical feature or behavior that has evolved over time to help an organism survive and reproduce in its specific habitat. Without these specialized adjustments to local temperature, water availability, and predators, species could not thrive in their environments. Aquatic animals live in water. Arboreal animals live mostly in trees. Terrestrial animals live on land. Amphibians are live on land and water. Desert animals adapted to hot, dry desert. Polar animals adapted to very cold places. Spending most of their time flying are aerial animals. Camouflage, animals blend into their surrounding to hide from predators or catch prey. Spine and shells help to protect from enemies.